Number one, you have to go with a very bad mood
Uh-huh.
or pretend to have a bad mood or at least pretend that you're not excited by the things that you see in that store.
Uh,
Okay.
can you show that face?
I just go,
Hmm.
just stay like that.
Hmm.
You love stuff, don't express your excitement.
अच्छा अंदर ही अंदर बहुत खुश हो रहे हैं, right?
Yeah, obviously you see, oh, this is nice, this is nice, this is nice, but don't show it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And don't ask the price for anything. Okay. First of all, let them think that you don't really like anything.
Mm.
So now they have to make you happy.
Ah.
Number two, let them think you don't care about the price. You're not even going to ask the price. You just say, okay, I like this. Then you keep on holding on to it. I like this as well. And you keep on giving it to the person who's attending you or looking after you to put it on the side. Now, this person is thinking that you're going to buy all this stuff. Okay. And then comes to a point where you say, okay, how much is this one for? How much is this one after spending 15, 20 minutes in the store? And I'm laughing at Farooq's expression when he saw me do that
Mhm.
because I asked him the price. He's like, that's 200. I was like, and then I said, 20. So he laughed. And when he laughed, I had to like compose myself because I'm laughing inside as well because that is so outrageous.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
Farooq was just proud of you at that
He
moment.
became, he thought I wouldn't be able to pull it off.
I see.
Okay. And then you say, oh, these are 10 things that you picked out. You say, oh, no, I don't want these 5. I don't like this. I don't like this. So now this guy who thought that you were not going to buy anything, who thinks that you're very rich and you've picked out all these things, but suddenly you start taking out things, he starts panicking because he thinks you're not going to buy anything. It's
Mm.
all psychology.
Mm.
And then you pick your final 4 pieces that you want to buy. And then, you're just like, yeah, $20, that's fine. I don't even really like them. I'm just going to get them because I just need to get something at the Grand Bazaar, something like that. And then you kind of like walk away. No, it's okay. And then he's going to say, Tali, Tali. He's like, then he's going to, get to a point. He's going to say this, he's going to say that. And be brave enough to let the deal go and walk out because he's going to come after you and say, okay, come on, get it. You win.
I see. Wow. Well done. Yay.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I completely agree. You have to be brave. And it shouldn't even be about having to be brave. It's like you said, if they say 500, you start with 5.
Uh-huh.
The thing is, if I do that sometimes, I'm thinking, nah, come on, this is so bad. Like, making him feel bad, undermining his product. But then, didn't he feel bad when saying 500 to me?